The key's gonna be, you can see him from right over here. It's all the way on the side.
Okay. You pay cash or credit card?
How much is it gonna be?
This is 170.
170? It's gotta be card.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Perfect. Bullshit.
Oh, that one's broken?
Yeah, it's no work.
Oh my god, dude. What do we do for dinner? I don't give a fuck anything. I don't give a fuck either. I'm fucking starving. Just like that. Get one of these.
Give me 1 second.
I'm forgetting to bring my fucking. I'm forgetting to pack my
Signature. Thank you for the tip, okay?
Yes, sir.
Take it. Put a text message or email for the receipt. Thank you so much,
Appreciate
okay?
it, boss. Have a great night, brother.
You too, man. Thank you. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.